This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG. Jay, you know who you are, and I'm trying to figure out whether I'm coming or going. I'm not really sure. Wow, it is really, really busy here right now. The good news is this is the bill of sale for the mobile home that I have purchased or am about to purchase. Got that all set up this afternoon. We're going to have... he's going to sign it, I'm going to sign it, and I got a notary public coming to notarize it, so done deal. We're in the trailer now getting some of the stuff done. I'm going to set up a camera, and we can at least get some footage of people running around doing stuff, and you can get an idea of just what's going into this trailer. This is going to be a really big job, bigger than I probably thought it was, but you know what? That's when I like to rise to the occasion and I get stuff done. And when I can't get stuff done, then I curl up into a little ball and rock myself to sleep for a few minutes, and then I'm okay. Don't people do that? People do that sometimes, right? No, it's not that bad. I've got some good people lined up to help me. I've got somebody starting today. I've got somebody else coming in tomorrow. I've got... hopefully I've got another guy coming in on Sunday, and we're gonna rock this thing out. We want to get this done in a couple of weeks. So it's all about the mobile home right now. That's my whole deal. Right now my purpose is the mobile home. I got to be focused on that. When we take on a big project like this, when anybody does, if you have other stuff you're doing, well, they kind of have to sit at the wayside, because if you try to take on too much, then everything suffers. You do a half-assed job on everything. I would rather do a really good job on the important things. And right now, for the next 2 weeks, this is the most important thing to me. Don't worry, I'll still feed the dog and the cat and take care of them. But as far as everything else is concerned, I'm not going to be making any cat ramps, picnic tables for squirrels, bird houses, bird feeders, that sort of thing. No flags. That's all shut down. Right now, all the tools are going to be going over, or a lot of the tools will be going over to the new mobile home. And I hope you take a look at these videos every day that I have them up, and join us on this journey. And maybe you might think, hey, I could do that. If this clown can do it, then I can do it. And you can. And I always tell everybody, to be successful, you only have to have two things. All right? Just two things. You got to have patience. I know a lot of patience. I'm not the most patient person in the world, but I've gotten better. But you have to have patience and effort. Even putting in a little effort, you'd be surprised at what you can accomplish. I'm not kidding you. I don't mean to sound like Tony Robbins right now, but it's the truth. If you have those two things, patience and a little effort, actually the more effort you put into it, the bigger the rewards are. So let that sink in a little bit. And if you want to do stuff like this, you can do it. If you want to do a YouTube channel, make a YouTube channel. You want to flip trailers, flip trailers. You want to flip houses, you go right ahead. It only takes two things: patience and effort. That's pretty simple. So that's what we're going to do. It's raining here today, so I'm not going to be able to do much on the Corvette. So I am going to get that ready to sell. But right now, like I said, my main priority is this mobile home. I'm trying hard not to call it a trailer, because some people don't like it when you call their place a trailer, because it really isn't a trailer. And it's not really a mobile home. I mean, yeah, you can move it if you want to, if you put wheels on it and go, but most of the time it's a stationary home. It's just small. That's the other thing that really gets me. There's a big trend on tiny houses, and people say, oh, I want to build a tiny house. I know people that have built tiny houses. That's great. We've had tiny houses for 100 years. We call them trailers and mobile homes. Those are tiny houses. And this one's not so tiny. It's almost 1,000 square feet. So, that's a good-sized tiny house. So that's where I'm headed. That's what I'm doing today. And that's why this video is so short, because I gots to go. I'm meeting people and doing stuff and signing things. And oh, my goodness. That's what I got to do. So stick with us. Keep coming back. I'll keep putting up as many videos as I can, show you just exactly what we're doing. I do want to do like a time-lapse thing, and I got the GoPro. We're going to set that up and let it go. So that's it. So for this short video today, that's going to do it on this, whatever day this is. I don't know. What, is this Saturday? This is Saturday now. Holy mother of, yeah. Okay, that's going to do it for the Old Guy Network. I am the old guy. I'm the OG, and I'm out.